that is basically, listen to me talk, based on the media, based on me talk now, like, me can't talk, you know.
Right.
Based on the media and based on you were married, right?
Right. Based on the media,
So,
based on you. All right, cool.
so that means say you and the media say the same thing when that when me I say
Welcome.
so you were married, right? Your answer is
You
yes,
want me
right?
to answer that?
Yeah, you say yeah, you already answer.
No. What?
All right. You ever been married before in the United States?
Me?
Yeah.
Well, based on the media,
I'm asking you, so we are left for the media. The media doesn't watch, you know. The media they not the stands. We the right here, so. I ask you one question.
I am just working with the media.
We can't have a sensible conversation
You
then.
ask me something and I'm giving you my answer. What you mean?
That's not a sensible conversation though.
All right. So basically, you want me to answer if I was.
You say you give me 5 minutes to think and talk and you answer. But me tell you say, me don't need 5 minutes because I literally know what me gonna say, I'm literally know what I ask.
Big C, the man married. Don't talk.
Kitty, you know I'm married.
No, you come tell no married. You're gonna come in.
Now what things you can tell me to? You know tell me say man take my car and I tell you say Rosalie said this and that and you said none of them not
No,
true.
wait, no, before.
You
Where
don't
you
work
say?
with the media.
Yes, a boy car.
You know tell me say man take back your car and then say you take back your man and how much mix up and fassa. How much time for your name twisting all kind of something till the car come out.
What you say to
Jesus
your mouth?
Christ.
What you
No,
say
as I
to
said.
Oh no, wait, I can't
Remember
sue no.
what me
I
I
know
say
why
what
they
you say
post
to your
here.
mouth?
Remember this is media. Me I work with the media.
Dummy, we're not talking about me. Me that say everything about me. Me I say what you say to your mouth.
I am just working with the media, that's all.
Oh, okay.
Like you we not have sensible conversation.
Big C, I don't really come say it, yeah. Guys, wanna send me Nelly, send me about the screen record for me. They please send me a screen record. When Dummy say you're married. Go and go find it for me there. Them say man take back the car and the man go with the car. Me always talk about that topic there for my life. Say oh it really did go.
Right. And who touched say, all right, look at this now. Listen, you know, don't get mad. Just listen me out. This is the media. Remember when them say how much batty man a fuck you? How much this, how much that?
Alright, I'm gonna show you something
Listen,
now.
wait
now.
And
I'm gonna alright, talk.
And an ego do this. That's why I said don't get mad. And an ego do this.
Yeah.
I listen to understand, right? Cool. Remember them say, this man take care of her, and you take back your man, and you this, and batty man do this, and you come and you clear the air. And you,
Alright, now show you something again. But listen to dummy.
What
But listen to dummy. Wait no. No. But I'll show you something. One thing me I said to you. So where you gone? One thing me I said to you. When Rose come talk that, the same Batman she has said they with my baby father come and speak our truth. So what you say? Alright, finish, talk. Yeah, in quick to jump on me, but he can't justify himself. Go talk now. Watch out, him no want hear the topic. Him no want answer the question big fear. See it here.
Yeah, so 1 minute we make a decision from now on divorce and the next minute we say now can't divorce. Gosh, just like get look at highlight right now. Just like go there nice tree. Just like get look at chance you can make baby want to look out shingles. You know what I mean, right? I don't want divorce you. You have to be mindful divorce you. Boys.
You see, but I want divorce you, but I have to might divorce you.
I wonder if you don't have to worry, right? That is my that's like okay. There's a paper that you right?
You hear me?
Yeah, alright, finish talk, yeah.
Does that show Dante facing it?
Alright, Dan. Alright, what do you say about me? Continue upon me. What do you say?
No, me don't make a freak. Me don't understand what the topic lead to. So
No, me just say. Remember when she come out, come say all of them the allegation about my baby
right.
father. Batman. Remember the same Batman come and talk about it and talk his truth. Those are make up allegations, and those Batman come and clear the ear, say nothing no go, so him always tell Chief to stop the foolishness, cause him no know my baby father and the thing them. So that is just make up allegation based on cuss, no bring good word, and that is it. We are
Jerry, thank you, Jerry. Jerry, thank you.
I'm kind of lost with Kitty. Kind of lost with what Kitty has said, but then I tried.
Don't worry about it no more. I'm off you.
Bomba beard.
So Kitty, basically you're on an old topic.
Me, I know she old topic. I don't mean it.
No, I'm trying to understand. Why not say move on? Where we move on from?
Which glue me use? I don't mean do my lash them babes. What you say now? Dante?
Me I tell you, say you lost me. How you try to say so? Me I try falling back.
No,
So,
I try falling back. You're, and the woman ask you a question. Big C, you're married or you're not married? That she asks you.
and I'm with ever the internet. Whichever way the internet go, other way they're with them. Any more questions?
Big C.
That no a simple answer. A simple answer that chat.
Hey, me tell you, say everything a digital footprint, you know. Watch you again one summer now. Yo, me tell you, say everything a digital footprint to pussy bumper ass clot. Digital footprint all both me I get you now. When you don't know, nobody say me no more.
I'm trying to, but the car.
Be a digital footprint guy.
How much more out there?
I be a digital, everywhere we have digital footprint, you know, all the way.
No, but me I try to understand where you at, like why you at turn.
I mean, me not turn on you. I mean, by you say you're married, so we are saying we could go look back on the screen record them, because you did come to married.
And me I say to you, say, me I work with the internet, say, how is that yes or a no answer? You see, the thing is, you're very thin skin, you know. I mean, I really want to send it onto you, feel like.
No, you can't talk, because remember my one then don't clear
No,
up already,
listen.
so yeah.
You know, I send it up spark your ego, so I try my best for like.
No, more, don't do it,
Wanna see a call me? J876.
No, you can't do it. Because remember my one then don't clear up.
Jerry, thank you, boys, thank you. Me soon come, hold on. My friend a call me.
Pasa,
You can't do it. I don't know if I
Pasa, keep you relevant.
Oh,
You.
pasa keep me relevant.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know. No. Yeah, if you want to be relevant right now, just bring down somebody.
So that's why I try create a
What me I try to assign this?
No, cause you sir. Yes sir. First and foremost, me I talk to 100K. Then I come up with something different. You understand?
Alright, we'll see. It's the question was, you know, you're married, yes or no? That was the question. I said, all right then. Somebody said
I work with the media.
All right, somebody said me one in the confirm. All right, lawyer.
You know, so let me tell you something. You know, say all the time you're there on a For You page, if you're in a mix up, and as a friend, me I tell you, Kitty. You need
yes, everybody don't know that. I mix up alone. Make everybody. All right. When you're there on the For You, what you do?
Entertain. If I'm me and down here, entertain straight.
We don't be a mix up. What we do? Cause one time when I do mix up, you know, all of a sudden you know, you do mix up and quote. So everybody in a mix up.
Me not do mix up. We entertain.
Don't me? Everybody do mix up.
We entertain.
Everybody do mix up. Cause you never used to do it. One time you not even want to call one name for your life. No name at all. No, you sit down and you entertain it. So all we mix up.
We are entertainer.
Which entertain? All right, we are entertainer.
Anything we see we talk on this up here, something we are deep on it up. Even quote
what me talk about on the app and something with the on the app.
Yes, entertainment. So what you say? What you say?
What you are saying over here? What you are saying? That will be a say. You are
sure.
Entertain mix up.
No, we can't wear that troll Kitty, bro. Kitty soft in a chat.
No, yeah, no, right now. Let me tell you something. You see, because, listen on, you see, because my allegation them clear up, the car business, baby for a batty man, the same batty man come confirm. So what else? Hmm? You don't feel no way about nothing. The car, whatever the car, I'll be the one the car. What I say again? Yeah.
Look
And
again.
the allegation they already cleared up dummy, so it's okay. You get what me I say? Me not thin skin right now, like that's okay. You understand? But yeah, I say when me can depend it for you just because I mix
Right
up.
now, Rose can't make a thin skin now.
Rose can't make me thin skin, my you.
Right
Them the
now,
allegation they don't clear
you're afraid
up.
of Rose in every aspect.
What you mean, my friend? You're crazy. Remember, say I'm
You're
listening to Rosalie
Afraid.
over and over. Ask them people. Remember, say
You're
I'm me.
afraid. Not tell me not. You're
What kind of
afraid.
afraid? Why me afraid of one? Why me afraid of her?
If she
Me
say
not
run,
afraid of
you
her.
have to run.
What you mean?
Right
Ask
now.
them. Alright, me ask you a question. Ask your chat. You see him chat. Are the people them where you go tell him when me send for Rosalie? Are you serious? When Gage a play me one night, I'ma say Gage. She a send Gage one blood clot request. I'ma say Gage answer. And when me start already, every minute me, what you talk about? No, you try to turn everything and I try to set me up on every. But one thing Rosalie I got say, baby for the Batman, Kitty I be a Batman for Kitty, baby for the run with the car, promise no knowing father. What am I gonna say again? Where Rosalie I gonna say?
So what you are gonna say? What you are gonna say?
What Rosalie I gonna say that me ask you?
What you are gonna say? Same thing. She don't live nowhere. She want one rock for beat. I same thing.
But that's what I'm telling you. It's a cycle. It's over and over and over. That's why I don't entertain it no more because we keep on repeating the same thing over and over and it makes no sense.
Take not afraid.
Afraid for what? When I see him script I go over and over and over and over and over.
Me add Rose then. Me add Rose.
No, me not gonna entertain that. No. You adding her, I'm not entertaining that. You're a narcissist, you know, you didn't know? Yeah, narcissist behavior you give me now. You try to flip every script right for me. But me see what you're going on, I see everything what you do. Yeah, I see everything. Right now, you try to set me up for Rose, come back for me and class and the things them. And I see him script, me gonna tell you. Listen up, I see him script, me I tell you, say go over. She will come say, Kitty not a baby father, you can't run with God, batty man with Kitty. What she gonna say? She can't say me not live nowhere. Oh, she gonna say something again, say, me live with my auntie, which the internet know say, at my apartment. We don't need all of them there. A beer makeup store she come with, cause she can't say me not live nowhere. She can't say my pit name stay good. She can't say none of that. Remember me and my two pit name? Remember my pit name? Remember they stay good? Remember we were reading nice things and everything there? What you gonna say? What she gonna say? Makeup story. Y'all try to flip the script.
But Rose, inspire you.
Everything what y'all do.
Kitty, you know say Rose, you know
Alright,
say
alright, you add Rose and me add your wife. All that sound.
add anybody you want.
Alright. We can do that.
Alright, come, Kitty, my show you.
Alright, we're gonna add Raja.
Do
Come
that.
make us find Raja. Guys, Raja they on.
Who you add? Rajisha?
Yeah, we're gonna add Raja or your wife.
Add Rajisha if you want.
We're gonna add Raja or your wife, but me not see none of them on.